Alright, so here's the HVAC. Just took it out from the firewall there. I'm going to show you where it connects to the line going out to the orifice tube. Here's the exit, the one that was or gets rusted. And at the bottom you see the heater core connections and the other evaporator outlet, the one that's connected to that. And up here is where it connects to the accumulator, which is this rusted out nut there. Alright, there's some screws you have to go from the engine compartment and take them out. There's the exit to the rear floor AC right there. And here's what divides everything. And there's the complete box. It took a couple of days, but it's out now. I have to open it, crack it open, and put a new evaporator and new heater core.